Now in Chinese, we have here another episode while I'm waiting for my mom's gastroscopy to start. Don't know when, just waiting. I want to do another video on Hanzi Lou today because I've noticed some interesting things here. Let me show you. Quick recap, I have done 2 videos about Hanzi Lou before, so check them out if you still haven't. So basically, Lou has 2 meanings in Chinese. First one, floor. Second one, building. But today here at the hospital, I've noticed some interesting English translations here. Don't know if it's on purpose or not. They chose words other than building to be the translation for Hanzi Lou. Let's check it out. So here, inpatient facility. Inpatient means 住院. And for Hanzi Lou, here it says facility. And here, the yellow one, Infectious disease clinic. It's called 感染楼. So this yellow building here, 感染楼. Are these English translations common or standard at your place? Let me know in the comments. So let's quickly recap. Lou means building, but in particular situations it can mean stuff like facility, even clinic, for example when we're at a hospital. So when you need to translate from English to Chinese, sometimes you don't know the specific word, but it is a building. Just try using Hanzi Lou. We might understand. That's all for this episode. Now in Chinese, we are here. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe. I'll see you soon in another one.